So today is 15th of October, 51 key verses. We'll start revising. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveta-yuyutsavah mamakaha pandavachaiva kim akurvata Sanjaya. 2.7 कार्पण्य दोषो पहता स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसमूढचिताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. 2.13 देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति. 2.14 मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्यास् सांस्थितिक्षस्व भारत. 2.20 न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. 2.40 नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्युवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमपि यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. 2.41 व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिरेकेह कुरु नन्दन बहुशाखायनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिना. नेक्स्ट 2.59 विषया विनिवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते. 62-63 together. Start. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधो विजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. नेक्स्ट 3.13 यज्ञशिष्टाशिनः सन्तो मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः भुञ्जते ते त्वघं पापा ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात्. नेक्स्ट 3.27 प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा कर्ताहम् इति मन्यते. नेक्स्ट 4.2 एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकालेनेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप. 4.6 अजोऽपि सन् अव्यय आत्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् प्रकृतिं स्वामधिष्ठाय सम्भवाम्यात्ममायया. 4.7 यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत
अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. 4.8 परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. नेक्स्ट. जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन. 4.11 ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. 4.34 तद्विधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानम् ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. 5.18 विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव श्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः. नेक्स्ट. 5.22 ये संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः. 5.29 भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति. 6.6 बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत्. 7.3 मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः. Chapter 7 verse 7 मतः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वम् इदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. Chapter 7 verse 14 दैवी एषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते. 8.5 अन्तकाले च मामेव स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलेवरम् यः प्रयाति समद्भावम् याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः. लास्ट लाइन अगेन याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः. आफ्टर मी याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः नास्त्यत्र संशयः. 8.6 यं यं वापि स्मरन् भावं त्यजत्यन्ते कलेवरं तं तमेवैति कौन्तेय सदा तद्भावभावितः. 8.28 स्टार्ट वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपःसु चैव दानेषु यत्पुण्यफलं प्रदिष्टम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्.
9.2.
Why do you want me to change
The size of the shloka. When the first line has more than 3 words, then the shloka tune changes. You remember Karpanya, we did 2.7? Even that's a longer shloka. So then the meter changes. 9.2. Start. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam Pratyakshaavagamam Dharmyam Susukham Kartumavyayam. 9.11. Avajananti Mamudha Manushim Tanumashritam Param Bhavam Ajananto Mama Bhuta Maheshwaram. 9.13. Mahatmanastu Mam Partha Daivim Prakritim Ashritaha Bhajantya Nanya Manaso. Third line again. Bhajantya Nanya Manaso Jnatva Bhutadim Avyayam. 9.22. Start. Ananyas Chintayanto Mam Ye Janaha Pariupasate Tesham Nityabhiyuktanam Yogakshemam Vahamyaham. 9.26. Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yo Me Bhaktya Prayachati Tadaham Bhakti Upaharitam Ashnami Prayatatmanaha. 9.27. Yat Karoshi Yadashnasi Yat Juhoshi Dadasi Yat Tapasyasi Kaunteya Tat Kurushva Madarpanam. Now we do 10.8, 9 and 10.10 and 11 you repeat after me. 10.8 and 10.9 is what we do together. 10.9 is where we stopped last Monday. 10.8, start. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. Translation. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. 10.9. We'll also do it together. Start. Madchita madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Please repeat after me. Madchita madgata prana. Again, Madchita madgata prana. Bodhayantaha parasparam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. All of us together, start. Madchita madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Translation. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service. and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. We start 10.10. Repeat after me. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Translation. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. 10.11. Teshamevanukampartham. Very nice. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Nashyami atma bhavastho jnana deepena bhasvata. Translation. To show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. So before we do 10.10, we'll quickly do our prayers. Then we'll do the 10.10 and 11 nicely. Start. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupaha Kadamayyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitamscha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. 10.10, please repeat. Tesham unto them Satata Yuktanam always engaged. Bhajatam in rendering devotional service. Priti Purvakam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् in loving ecstasy dadami I give buddhiyogam real intelligence tam that yena by which mam unto me upayanti come te they first line tesham satata yuktanam again tesham satata yuktanam all of us together twice start tesham satata yuktanam again tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् twice together second line start bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् again bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् both the lines 3 times start tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् again tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् last time tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् Saloni and Meeta Mataji, we repeat after you all. Start.
Tesham satata yuktanam
Bhajatam.
both the lines together.
Yeah.
Bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्
All of us repeat. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम् first two.
Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्
Right. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्. It's bhajatam priti. Above the A there's a dash. Yeah, ta. Bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्. Last two. Partners.
Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्
Everyone else? Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्. Try without looking twice. Start. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्. Again. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्. Let's try it slow for the last time. Start. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam प्रीतिपूर्वकम्. Perfect. Dadami buddhiyogam tam. Buddhiyogam tam. Pull at the M. There's a dot over the M. Dadami buddhiyogam tam. Perfect. Dadami buddhiyogam tam. Dadami buddhiyogam tam. Everyone, 3 times. Start. Dadami buddhiyogam tam. Dadami buddhiyogam tam. dadami buddhiyogam tam. First 3 lines, start. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhiyogam tam. Repeat after me. Yena mamupayanti te.
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 Yena
Mupayanti te. Yena mamupayanti te.
Yena mamupayanti te.
Last line 3 times, start. Yena mamupayanti te. Yena mamupayanti te. Last time. Yena mamupayanti te. Full verse, twice, very slowly, then we'll try individual. Start. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhiyogam tam yena mamupayanti te. Perfect. Now try without looking as much as possible. Start. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhiyogam tam yena mamupayanti te. Perfect. Saloni, you can start. We'll repeat after you. One line. Quick. Everyone. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhiyogam tam. Yena mamupayanti te. Okay. Priya Mataji? Vadaman. Priya Vadaman. Sorry.
Tesham satatayuktanam
Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhiyogam tam. Perfect. Yena mamupayanti te. Fine. So this shloka says that Krishna, can we read the translation once? Start. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. So Krishna is doing a favor to those who are constantly devoted to him. His mercy is what he is showing. His mercy is that he will give us understanding how to come to him. And what is that understanding? How does he give it? Is in the next verse. He says to show them special mercy. That's the translation of 10.11. This one. To show them special mercy, I dwelling in their hearts. That's the Paramatma who is living in our heart. What does he do? When he sees that this child of mine, this living entity, is constantly devoted to me, and I am helping him to realize this Paramatma who is with him. What does he do? He destroys, sitting in the heart, he destroys with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. So what's the level of advancement? How do you know that a practicing Krishna conscious devotee is advancing? Is when his darkness, his ignorance is being dispelled. That's the special mercy. That's the height of devotional service, as Premnidhi Prabhu mentioned, I think 2 Mondays back. Not last Monday, it was before that. That time he was telling us that the special mercy of the Lord is when he removes the ignorance in our heart. Right? Now Duryodhan was in front of him. He got straight darshan of the Lord. But the ignorance was filled, so he couldn't see him. Right? So what is the mercy of the Lord? When He makes us realize, He removes this ignorance in our heart. That's the height of His mercy. When He pulls us towards Him. That's simply, you have to constantly be devoted. Or at least be sincere. Right now there might be so many obstacles according to our past karmas, our setting, our situations, might not be so, conducive for us to be constantly devoted to the Lord. But if we constantly have that prayer in our mind that I want to be constantly devoted, even that, what happens? Like the gopis, few of the gopis left. They abandoned their house and they left when they heard Krishna's flute, because they could hear Krishna calling them. Through Krishna's flute, His love was, it was like so permeated towards the air. It entered the ear holes of the gopis and just totally captured and melted their hearts. And they couldn't help themselves and they ran towards Krishna to meet Him under that tree, Kadamba tree, in the banks of the rivers of Yamuna. Vamsivat, that place is called. It's still there today in Vrindavan. And it's such strong vibrations that Krishna's flute, what does it do? It pulled them. And there were some gopis who couldn't go. Somehow their family situations were such that they just couldn't step out of their house. So what happened? Their intense desire to be with Krishna totally purified their, even little bit of karma or whatever was there, was totally burnt in their hearts. So Krishna says that shining lamp of knowledge, when He erupts, with that light of knowledge erupts in a heart, what does it burn? The darkness which comes due to ignorance, which is born out of ignorance. So this is the height of mercy of Krishna. When we go closer to Krishna, we have to understand that He is already burnt by ignorance. That ignorance which kept Duryodhan, for him Krishna as the Supreme Lord was invisible. He saw Him as an ordinary magician. So unfortunate. So we are also in such an unfortunate position that we can't see Gopinath as it is as Krishna. If a pure devotee has to come in front of a deity, he faints. We can totally talk, directly talk, but we see a stone. We see, oh, Krishna is beautifully decorated, but we don't see Him as non-different as Krishna. It's because of the ignorance in our hearts. But when we constantly doing this darshan, constantly remembering Krishna, constantly chanting His holy names, the special mercy He gives us is that He burns the ignorance in our heart and makes us realize that how He's not different than, He's as good as standing there and waiting for us to open our hearts. Right? So here this is special mercy. We'll do this shloka and then we'll revise the previous one and this together. Repeat. Tesham. For them. For whom? Those who are constantly devoted. The previous verse, it's like a continuation. Eva. Certainly. This is like without doubt. Definitely I'll do it for them. Anukampa. Anukampa means compassion, mercy. Artham. To show special mercy. Aham. I. Agyanajam. Due to ignorance. Tamaha. Darkness. Nashyami. Dispel. Atma bhava. Within their hearts. Staha. Situated. Jnana. Of knowledge. Deepena. With the lamp. Bhasvata. Glowing. Translation, we'll read it together. Start. To show them special mercy, I dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Tesham evanukampartham. पार्थम् एवानुकम् पार्थम्. This is tha. थप्पड़ का था. Understood, Saloni? Yeah. तेषामेवानुकम् पार्थम्. Do the first line 3 times. Start. Teshamevanukamam partham. Again. Teshamevanukamam partham. Teshamevanukamam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. 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 First 2 lines. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Again. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Again. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Try first 2 lines without looking. Start. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Now look and say. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Stho. Stho. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Third line 3 times. Start. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Last time. Nashyami atma bhavastho. First 3 lines. Start. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Jnanadipena bhasvata. Repeat. Jnanadipena bhasvata. Jnanadipena bhasvata. 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 Bharti bhasvata. Bhasvata. Jnanadipena bhasvata. Jnanadipena bhasvata. Last line twice. Start. Jnanadipena bhasvata. Again. Jnanadipena bhasvata. All 4 lines 3 times. The third time will be without looking. Start. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Jnanadipena bhasvata. Again. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Nashyami atma bhavastho. Jnanadipena bhasvata. Without looking. Start. Teshamevanukam partham. Aham ajnanajam tamaha. Nashyami atma bhavastho. ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. Try again. Start. तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. Meeta Mataji will repeat after you per line. Start.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्.
Perfect. तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
अहम् अज्ञानजं
तमः अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः
नाश्याम्य आत्मभावस्थो
नाशामि आत्मभावस्थो
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वतः.
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. Ta in the end. Lalita Mataji. Tesham.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः.
Perfect. Aham ajnanajam tamaha
नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो
नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. वैशाली.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः.
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः नाश्यामि नाशयामि
आत्मभावस्थो
नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः.
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः
नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो
नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. सलोनी मैथी.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः.
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः
नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो
नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. प्रिया माताजी.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
Loudly. तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम्
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः.
अहम् अज्ञानजं तमः नाश्यामि आत्मभावस्थो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. 10.10 translation, 10.11 translation. Start.
To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they have come to me.
To show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Now we repeat 10.8, 10.9, 10.10 and 10.11 with translations. Start. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam Buddha Bhava Samanvitaha. Translation.
I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts.
10.9. Machchita madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service,
And they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me.
10.10. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mamupayanti te.
To those who are constantly devoted to serve me with love, I give the understanding by which they come to me. Tesham evanukampatham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashyami atma bhavasvato jnanamindena bhasvata. To show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge
Yeah.
the dark
Fallen on
corner
that
of
side.
ignorance.
Yeah, no, I need it.